if they just keep on batting till the end. This is a close shout, and it's given. Swinging in, hitting him in front of the stumps. And this is where bowling in the right channels can be so useful, attacking the stumps. And this is exactly what Karachi has been doing. Azan Awais looks disappointed, but when the new ball swings and seams both together, there's not much you can do. No problems with the front foot. But this is Herrera playing the other ball. Probably
Azan would have wished that this was...
yeah, this is something Azan would have wished he wasn't facing. Here it's played in Winters. And top edge. And Shan makes no mistake. And he is claiming the catch. Mohsin is standing and he isn't happy. Now he starts to move. And another wicket for Karachi Blues. And Saqib's outswingers have paid.
He bowled to the area of uncertainty, and Mohsin Riaz was shocked. And here you can see it was a legal delivery behind the popping crease. His front foot landed, and here comes the delivery. Mistimed, misjudged, and nicely taken by the gentleman cricketer Shan Masood. Another wicket have fallen.
He's not trying much else. Oh, wow. And caught. And it was around the corner. Abdullah Shafiq, the set batter, knowing that the ball is swinging away, decides to play towards the onside, closes the face of the bat, gets the outside edge, and the fielder at slips, Abdullah, who has had a great game with the bat, makes no mistake in catching that. As Karachi will now think that they are closer to getting this side out because they've got their mainstay, Abdullah Shafiq, back in the hut. Just have a look at this. How can you play such a stroke when you are beaten on previous occasions with the ball swinging away? Once again, Abdullah Shafiq, he'll be disappointed. Scoring 59.
बैट को गेंद के पीछे ले आते थे, जैसे नजीर जूनियर भी करते थे, और तवील इससे तक वो विकेट पर मौजूद रहते थे. और ये अपील हो रही है और लगता है कि आउट हो जाएंगे मोहम्मद अली. तो इस तरह उनकी इनिंग का खात्मा हुआ और ये नवी विकेट है जो कि मिल चुकी है कराची ब्लूज को. कामयाबी हासिल हुई है साकिब को, और ये आउटसाइड द लेग स्टंप गेंद जा रही थी. इसको फ्लिक करने की कोशिश की मोहम्मद अली ने. गेंद बैट के बाहर वाले या अंदरूनी किनारे को लगती हुई, लगता है अंदरूनी किनारे को लगी है. ये बिल्कुल ठीक डिलीवरी थी. ओवर द विकेट गेंद की थी ये साकिब ने, और जिस तरीके से बैटर खेले वो बिल्कुल आपके सामने है. एज लगा, शुक्रिया के साथ विकेट कीपर ने ये कैच लिया और एक और कामयाबी हासिल हुई है कराची ब्लूज को. आउट होने वाले बैट्समैन मैदान से बाहर जाते हुए मोहम्मद अली. बैटर हसनैन के लिए
और बोल्ड कर दिया. काम तमाम साकिब के हाथों. यहां हसनैन बोल्ड हुए और इस तरह कराची की टीम ने चैंपियन बनने का एजाज हासिल किया.